welcome to Budapest. Thank you.
Feels like I'm waiting, like I'm watching.
So guys, we are in the Kempinski, Budapest, and this is my room, 620. This is apparently the most beautiful room in the hotel, which has the best views. So let's check in. Welcome to my room in Kempinski, Budapest. This is the bathroom over here. Huge bathroom with the bathtub. That's the shower area.
In my mind, all the talking, wasting all your time. I've given all.
Yeah, looking forward to spend next 3 days over here, and we are celebrating my birthday also. So it's extra special.
So where are we heading?
So guys, we just landed in Budapest and now we are heading for a city tour, and this is the place where we are meeting, and she is my guide. Hello, hi. Dominica, hi.
Yes, hi, nice to meet you.
Hi,
I'm Dominica. Hello,
Hi.
nice to meet you. Welcome to Budapest.
Thank you.
I've died every day waiting for you. Darling, don't be afraid. I have loved you for 1,000 years.
Alright, so now we are trying some Hungarian scones. So mine is with cheese. It's basically like bread with cheese. Shashank, you already finished yours.
Yeah,
Do
was
you
so
like
good.
it that much?
Very good.
So yours was with cottage cheese.
Cottage cheese, yeah. This is the
Nice,
cheese.
nice.
You like it?
It's a Hungarian snack.
Yeah.
On
If
the
you
go.
eat this, you're done Hungarian. This is what Dominica has to say. Yeah, she has to say.
Absolutely.
So now we are at the Danube River, and this is the river that flows through the German and the Austrian part as well. It's the big longest river in Europe, one of the longest river. And yeah, so we are here. We might take a cruise in the evening. It's beautiful. It's pretty windy. The climate is good. And yeah, Dominica is very gracious to show us everything around. It's a beautiful. I think weather is pretty nice. I mean today. So now I think we are walking towards the Chain Bridge. Am I right?
Yes.
So we are walking towards the Chain Bridge up there. And that's the Houses of Parliament, which I think looks better during the night with all the lights on.
And there is an interesting story about these two lions that you can see here. There's a story behind the lions. So basically, Janusz Marszal Pope was the artist who built these lions, and he worked on them for years, and then he presented them when the bridge was ready and the lions were ready. But Hungarians didn't like these lions. They
So guys, after the city tour, we just rested for a while, and now we're heading for dinner. And yeah,
I'm craving for some Indian food.
I think we can sit by the bridge, by the Chain Bridge, or we can just and
And enjoy a view of the river.
it's our birthday
Yeah,
tomorrow.
after the dinner.
Yeah.
Tomorrow is your birthday.
Yes.
Alright, so we found this great Indian restaurant, and finally we are having some delicious Indian food. We have the chili garlic naan here with dal tadka and some paneer tikka masala. Shashank, are you excited?
I'm always excited. I'm going for it. Baby.
Go for it. So after the dinner, we just came by Chain Bridge and just look at the ambience and the vibe here. And by the bridge, there are all these restaurants where you can party, all the pubs on both sides of the bridge. What a lively vibe. Look what we have here, Shashank. Kempinski has planned this cute surprise. Happy birthday! Woo! Oh, they have a cute note for you. Can you read it out?
In the name of Kempinski Hotel and staff members, we would like to wish you a very happy birthday. Thank you so much.
Wow. Bottle of champagne ready to pop.
Good morning, guys. So it's our second day in Budapest at Kempinski Hotel, and now we are heading for breakfast. After that, we might go for the Shenjeki thermal bath, and in the night, I want to do the ruined bars. So yeah, all excited to explore Budapest. It's a beautiful lobby over there, very luxurious lobby, and I think we are doing the breakfast over there.
So birthday boy, you're starting your day with a cold coffee.
All black, from head to toe. You can't see me inside the club. All black, from head to toe.
So they also have the spa on the second floor along with the pool. So let's see what's the birthday boy up to.
Inside the club. All black,
Wow,
head to toe.
you are really enjoying your birthday.
Inside the club. All black, from head to toe.
So it's a new day in Budapest, and today is Shashank's birthday. So we were chilling in the hotel for a while, and now we've got ready and we are stepping out. So first we are going to the fashion street here, which is like a shopping street with all the major brands. So we are almost here because it's right behind our hotel.
Yeah, this is the fashion street over here, and then we are going for the thermal bath. So yeah, let's walk.
Alright, so after the fashion street, we came to Waki Utka for some local street shopping. So here you'll find brands which are specific to Budapest. You know, you won't find them anywhere else. So those kind of local brands. So you can find some really gems. Nice stuff here. You have to look around obviously.
Nice cafe.
And it also has nice restaurants and cafes.
So guys, this is the Hungarian specialty ice cream, which is called Kurtosa Class. So we've got all these ice creams. We just got this photo clicked in the Budapest Times. That's crazy.
He got drunk, he fell down.
So guys, we are at the Shekhnaya Spa, and
Thermal spa.
this is the most
Popular activity to do here.
yeah,
So
it is one of the
it's
most
gonna
famous.
be my first time, I think, visiting a thermal spa.
And if you're in Budapest, you have to do this. So this is the place. So guys, we are all ready for the thermal spa. So guys, it's 8 p.m. and Kempinski Budapest has arranged a special cocktail session for us with some food, and we are going to a beautiful bar called the Fox Bar, as you can see right over here. Very luxurious interiors, since Kempinski stands for luxury, and you can see the interiors. That's the bar over there. So we're gonna have some nice cocktails.
So the chef at Kempinski has specially prepared some Indian food for us. Wow, Harabara kebab in Budapest, Shashank.
It's too good. Harabara kebab, the chutney, melting in the mouth.
Happy birthday, Shashank. now we are going for pub crawl because it's Shashank's birthday and we have to party hard tonight. You're gonna go hard.
I'm just taste this. Yeah, well, yeah. So,
Oh, Shashank, is it very strong? Oh.
busy night today, busy night. On a Tuesday night, busy night. It's always busy. I've never seen that
The next pub that we are visiting is this abandoned hostel called Grandio. So let's head inside.
They had a tradition in this hostel. All the people who stayed here, they would throw their, as a memory, the old pair of shoes. Like, can you see that? There's a lot of shoes hanging out.
Yeah.
very popular club. It's busy. Let's go inside.
What is this place called?
It's called instant. Instant, like a moment in English.
Alright guys, so it's our last day in Budapest and we just got ready and now we are heading out. So today we are going to be going to the Buddha side where we have the castle and a couple of other monuments that we should visit. And before that I'm just craving for some ice cream, so we are going to be going there now. Alright, so we have made it to Gelato Rosa. This is a popular ice cream place and there's a long queue outside usually, but I'm glad that today there's no queue as such. Also, it's located at a very premium spot. As you can see, this is the Saint Basilica Church and it's located right opposite that.
I'm alright. I've been lonely before.
So we are at the Buddha Castle. You can see it right behind me. So we are going to be going inside and exploring the Buddha side today. And the first thing is going to be the Buddha Castle.
Now we are going through this tunnel inside the castle and we are going to have one of the best views from Budapest. So I can't wait to show you. Wow. The view of the whole Danube River, the Houses of Parliament over there.
I'm alright. I'm alright. I've been lonely before.
So now we are at the Matthias Church and now we are heading to the Fisherman. So this is the Fisherman's Bastion, this whole area, and we are going there for a nice photo and a video because this has got the best spot. A lot of people here, as you can see. Wow. So after the castle tour, we are here at the oldest cake shop in Budapest, which is called Rusworm.
It's a smaller venue, so it depends.
And
Sometimes
this is since 1827. That's so old. So we are just going inside to check the interiors over here. And this is very old, and all the interiors, if you can see, very old. And they have their famous cakes and ice creams. These are the cakes over here. So we've got the strawberry cake right here, and we got the famous drink in Hungary, which is called the palenka. Yeah, it's similar. It's kind of made of fruit, but it's similar to kind of vodka. Not exactly similar, but on those lines.
So we are having dinner at Jamie's Oliver and our food is here. We've ordered a vegetarian pizza with some sun-dried tomatoes and burrata. Then we have a penne pasta here and the ambience is so pretty, so nice and relaxed evening. It's the last evening in Budapest, so we're having a great time here. What a wonderful trip, right? Now after the dinner, we are planning to go for a river cruise and enjoy the night view of Budapest. I'm really looking forward to that. And the Parliament building and all. I want to see it with the lights. It's going to be stunning, I'm sure.
So guys, now we have the river cruise at the Danube River and we are excited for this because it's a 1.5 hour journey. It's a beautiful, you can see the interior, very olden time. It's very nice, very cozy.
Enjoy the cruise, yes.
That's the parliament over there. That's the chain bridge. Wow. Hey guys, so finally it's time to say goodbye to Budapest. Such a beautiful city. We had the best time, and I celebrated my 35th birthday here. We enjoyed the ruined pub bars, the Buda Castle, and exploring the whole city. It's a beautiful vibe, and of course our stay at Kempinski was super luxurious, thanks to them as well. And I think all in all, Budapest is such a beautiful city, historic city. We had the very nice cruise in the night where we could see the parliament, which is one of the most famous attractions in the world. And all in all, if you like the video, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. Till then, safe travel.